This is the KUZ, and I'm gonna show you the proper way of shoveling blizzard snow. Okay? Now this is not regular snow because for the simple fact,
see that?
as you look around, we got a lot of this shit. You see what I'm saying? Now look. Okay, now check it out. This is the proper way. Follow me. This is the proper way of shoveling blizzard snow. I got 4 steps. Count them. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
and 4. 4 steps of doing shoveling snow correctly. Okay? You got the full body cast? Cam, don't just get some faces. I'm doing stuff and I want people to see how to focus and do this correctly, okay? Hello, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, first thing you want to do is get your feet planted in the proper way. You want to have the proper attire. I'm show you what I mean by proper attire. When you're out here in the blizzard, when you're doing blizzard snow, you want to be dressed accordingly. You don't have to worry about coordination or none of that jive. You want to have your gloves like this, like so you can wiggle your fingers. You want to have that. It's very essential to this project here. You want to have a full body suit like this here. You see that? And you want it to fit nice and You want to fix it fit nice and snug up in there. Okay? Now, you also want to have your hats. You can wear goggles if necessary, but as you can see for this project, I have none, but I can essentially get some. Well, we'll do the goggles. Hold on for a second. Follow me. Also, you want to have your vehicle prepared and running. That's just in case of emergency, like it's about to have a tragedy going on. You want to be prepared, and your vehicle must be running to relocate, or if you have to, say, evacuate from like a world crisis or something like that. So, back to what I'm saying, we're going to get the goggles. As you can see, I'm fully blizzard up over here. We go in my stash. You always want to keep prepared goggles. It's very essential. Very essential. It's like a must-have. So,
pretty old there.
Shouldn't have did that, but we're gonna keep it funky like that. And you must have liquid. Drink plenty of liquid. I left this on purpose in the car yesterday, 2 days ago, because I knew we were gonna have this blizzardness, and therefore it was gonna be refrigerated inside the vehicle. So, since I'm dying of thirst, same as this has been 1942. Okay, we want to save a little bit of that. You don't want to drink it all because we got all this to do, so we don't want to get dehydrated. So we must keep some of this. Okay, I have a full tank of gas. I always keep a full tank, just in case I have to do a cross-country road trip.
No, you don't.
Purrs like new butter. We're going to keep that running. So now we're going to go back to the program.
Let's do this.
We got the gloves, now we just added goggles to the gear. Follow me.
No.
Now we have, could you back up though? Thank you. Now we got the full body suit. Okay. And
excuse me, sir.
you need a pair of Timberlands. Can you check that out? You need a pair of Timberlands.
Those real?
Yes, these are real.
Oh,
I think it's real. Yes, it's real. So you need a pair of Timberlands because they're waterproof. You get that? Are you getting that shot? Because they're waterproof. Okay. You need to know the size and all that stuff there. Okay, now. And a hoodie. And I need some tissue because my nose is probably dripping. But hey, this is live TV, baby. You never know what you're gonna get. Now back to the story. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the correct way of shoveling blizzard snow. Follow me. 4 steps. Okay? Can you come around this angle? Thank you. Now, what you want to do, 4 things. What you want to do is 4 things. You want to, well, I'm going to name them first. We got scoop, number 1. Number 2 is called poop. Number 3 is called lift. And number 4, we get droop. Okay? Now I want to show you example. Okay? Pay attention. It's complicated. Okay? Now, here we go. Scoop. Okay? Poop. You got that? Lift. You want to lift with your back. With 2 feet planted on firmly on the ground. Okay? Lift, then droop. Got that?
Got it.
Okay. One more time. You want to scoop, poop, lift, droop. You got that? This was a message from KUZ. You guys have a great and wonderful blizzard holiday. This has been the Cuz, and I approve this message.
Stay cool. You get it? Stay cool. We're out.